Hewescraft is the #1 seller of heavy gauge welded aluminum boats in the US year after year. Some of the reasons why that is, on this Pro V here and on all their boats, they fill all the structure underneath the deck and also underneath the gunnels with a closed cell foam, providing flotation and a nice quiet ride. They have a really great progressive dead rise, nice sharp angle here at the front, helping you cut through waves, which tapers off towards the rear, giving you a nice stable platform at the back there. They got heavy duty bow guard here, welded on, completely welded. Down here we got a reverse chine, which is gonna help reduce spray when you're underway and also gives you better handling when you're turning. Hewescraft has a nice wide extended transom here, which is in the same line as the hull, giving you 20 feet of water surface on this 18-foot boat. Moving back here, we have a 100 horsepower Honda powering this boat. It's a VTEC engine, and with the 48-gallon tank that this Pro V has, that should give you plenty of range. You'll be out there on the water all day. On this Pro V, we have some sacrificial anodes that are installed. These are gonna corrode first and keep all the pitting off your metal. Gonna keep that boat looking shiny for years and years. Walking around the side of the boat, I wanted to point out that this boat is on a easy loader. It's got a tandem axle trailer underneath it. Got oil bath bearings that are relatively maintenance free. Got a nice sight glass on front of there to keep track of your oil. And then also this comes with brakes on each wheel. I just want to show you some of the great features we have back here on the cockpit. We have a nice big giant fish box built into the transom there, which is insulated. You can see there. Moving this way, this one has a wash down supply as an option on this boat. It's a great feature there. It's got diamond tread plate on this stepwell. Keep the scuffs off this part here. It's also got some rod holders. This 180 Pro V has the Deluxe Canvas as part of one of its features. This Deluxe Canvas gives you the ability to remove this rear fish curtain here, as well as these side panels, giving you the ability to run it as just a bimini top in the summer when it's nice and warm out. Or you can obviously put these back on, roll this down here, and have a nice completely enclosed cabin in the wintertime, keeping you out of the elements. Moving inside, we have some great, nice wide comfortable bench seats here. Plenty of storage underneath them, lift up, nice storage box there. Right in front of these comfortable bench seats here, we have the co-captain's and captain's chair. The co-captain's station here has some great features. You got grab handles, keep you safe if it's bumpy out there, as well as a cup holder. This is a lockable glove box. Stow all your items in there, keep them safe. A lot of great storage in this boat. Another lockable shelf down here. This Pro V also has windshield wipers on each window here, giving you a nice unobstructed view while you're out there in the spray. And then out on the bow, you also have a diamond tread plate out there. Here at the captain's station, got some great controls. Got your trim tab controls, which we spoke about. That's going to keep your boat nice and level no matter where your weight is distributed. Here we have our Honda gauges. That's a multi-purpose gauge. Will give you hour readings as well as a fuel gauge right next to it. So here we have the main control for that Honda 100 horsepower engine at the rear. You got your key switch, kill switch lanyard, got your throttle control there for idling, got shift control forward and back, as well as a trim control. So up here at the captain's chair, got nice great controls here at the dash. Got your trim tab controls, which we mentioned at the rear, help you keep you stable no matter where your load is distributed. Got a gauge set here, a nice Honda gauge, which has multi-functions, can read your hours on your engine, a couple different things. Got your fuel gauge right next to it, as well as a 12-volt power supply. Keep all your devices charged while you're underway. This seat here is where you're going to feel the benefit of that nice steep dead rise that we talked about earlier in the video. You're going to cut through the water a lot better, giving you a nice smooth ride on this 18-foot Pro V.